Comsoon manual coffee grinder, portable hand coffee grinder with adjustable setting, conical ceramic Burr grinder, stainless steel coffee mill for espresso, French press, Turkish brew. Adjustable grind selector by simply turning the grind selector counterclockwise or clockwise. Our manual coffee mill will provide precise grinding control from coarse to fine powder for any type of brewing methods like French press, cold brew, drip grind, pour over, etc. The partial visual base makes you better observe and control the capacity of coffee powder. Preserved Coffee Aroma Professional ceramic conical Burr design makes the grinding process more detailed and the coffee powder more uniform. At the same time, it avoids overheating the coffee beans while grinding, maintains rich and original aroma for better coffee flavor. Ideal choice for coffee lovers. Easy to carry, weights only 10.5 ounces. Moreover, it comes with a foldable handle which is ultra compact. You will save more place of your backpack when you are camping, hiking, traveling or on a business trip. Even when going out, you can sit down leisurely and enjoy a cup of mellow hand-ground coffee. Eco-friendly and noiseless manual grinding, without battery. Triangle-shaped bottle body is more stable for easier grasping and smoother grinding. The coffee Burr grinder effectively avoids over 90% of noise that electric grinder produces and creates a quiet atmosphere. You will never worry about disturbing your loved ones' sweet dreams in the morning. Made to last, our coffee grinders are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel, more durable than plastic or glass base. Wear-resisting ceramic burrs promise longer lifespan. All parts are detachable for further deep cleaning of dead corner residues. Please allow it to dry thoroughly before reassembling. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.